Keynotes for AI DNN Network video designed by Pradeep K. Suri, intended for presentations, reports, or narration overlays. Keynotes for AI DNN Network, HMIS model. Clapperboard visualizing AI in healthcare, deep neural network, DNN, flow. Direct hit purpose of the video. To visually demonstrate how patient data flows through an AI-powered deep neural network, DNN, within a hospital management information system, HMIS, from clinical inputs to AI-generated diagnosis and treatment recommendations. Brain DNN architecture overview. Layer description. Input layer receives raw clinical data from HMIS. Rightward arrow vitals, symptoms, lab reports, radiology, prescriptions. Hidden layer 1 detects low-level patterns and preliminary associations in data. Rightward arrow e.g., fever plus high WBC. Rightward arrow infection risk. Hidden layer 2 abstracts intermediate patterns for higher level reasoning. Rightward arrow e.g., combining symptoms and test outcomes to weigh disease likelihood. Output layer final predictions. Rightward arrow diagnosis, example pneumonia, anemia. Rightward arrow treatment plan, example admit to ward, prescribe antibiotic. Artist palette design and visual cues. Feature insight. Rainbow vibrant node colors clarifies each layer. Red circle input, orange circle hidden 1, purple circle hidden 2, yellow circle output. Counterclockwise arrows button animated flow shows stepwise progression of patient data through the model. New moon dark theme optimized for clinical dashboards and executive presentations. Safety pin link movement represents learning, activation, and information processing. Hospital relevance. Function impact. Stethoscope clinical teams gain visibility into how AI supports decisions. Clipboard compliance and QA document and explain model structure for audits and ISO 21001. Men office worker CXOs align AI models with hospital strategy and care protocols. Laptop computer data science teams use as a reference for model transparency and interpretability. Chart increasing key takeaways. AI decisions are not a black box. This DNN model shows how inputs are transformed layer by layer into outputs. The visual serves as a bridge between clinicians and AI engineers. Enables explainable AI for clinical governance and ethical deployment. Pushpin developed and modeled by Pradeep K. Suri. Author researcher consultant AI/ML architect. AI DNN Network.mp4 a visual animation of a deep neural network, DNN, structure applied within a hospital management information system, HMIS. Brain clapperboard DNN network diagram, video explanation. Receipt video title. AI DNN Network, patient data flow in HMIS. Developed and modeled by Pradeep K. Suri. Magnifying glass tilted left 1. Objective of the video. This video illustrates how a deep neural network, DNN, processes patient data within an AI-powered HMIS framework. The flow moves through input layer, clinical features. Hidden layers, learned weights and activations. Output layer, predicted diagnosis and treatment plan. Each frame in the animation reveals the flow of patient data through network layers, helping clinicians, data scientists, and hospital executives understand the internal logic of AI-driven decision-making. Puzzle piece 2. Layer breakdown. Layer description. Input layer receives raw patient data. Vitals, symptoms, lab reports, radiology, prescriptions. These nodes represent the features used by the model to begin inference. Hidden layer 1 first transformation layer. Applies nonlinear activations to extract abstract patterns from inputs. E.g., recognizing combinations like fever plus WBC count rightward arrow infection alert. Hidden layer 2 higher order inference. Combines patterns from H1 to refine AI's understanding, like weighing severity scores or comorbidity interactions. Output layer. Yellow circle diagnosis, AI's prediction about the condition. Green circle treatment plan, recommended next steps, example admit, prescribe, refer. Artist palette 3. Visual design elements. Element purpose. Artist palette vibrant colors distinct hues for each layer aid clarity, red, green, purple, blue, yellow. Blue square animated links show directional flow and model computation. New moon dark theme suitable for hospital dashboards and night shift review boards. Stopwatch frame by frame animation helps in storytelling and gradual comprehension of the AI pipeline. Hospital 4. Healthcare application of the DNN model. Microscope data inputs. Vital signs, example BP, HR, temp. Symptoms, example chest pain, cough. Lab reports, CBC, CRP, LFT. Radiology, X-ray, CT findings. Prescription history. DNN processing. Hidden layers analyze data interactions, example. Low oxygen plus fever plus cough plus chest opacity rightward arrow possible pneumonia. Outbox tray outputs. Diagnosis, disease prediction with confidence score. Treatment plan, suggested medication class, urgency level, admission status. 5. Who should use this video? Audience insight gained. Doctors and clinicians understand how AI assists, not replaces, diagnostic reasoning. Hospital management, CXOs, visual clarity on how AI makes transparent decisions. AI developers and data scientists communicate model interpretability to non-technical users. Quality and compliance teams use for documentation in regulatory reviews or ISO 21001 compliance. Chart increasing 6. Strategic value. This animated DNN diagram becomes a training tool for clinical AI awareness, a communication asset for internal presentations, a transparency layer for patient safety boards. Thank you.